देवी और सज्जनों, स्वागत कीजिए रावण का चरित्र निभाने वाले भारतीय सिनेमा के एक अद्भुत कलाकार यश का जोरदार तालियों के साथ।
जो आइटम की मैं बात कर रहा था, यह सरप्राइज था आपके लिए। तो आप सब इन्हें जानते हैं, ही नीड्स नो इंट्रोडक्शन। ये तो रावण का जो किरदार इन्होंने निभाया है, इसके पीछे भी एक कहानी है जो यश आपको बताएंगे। लेकिन मेरे लिए ये कहना बहुत बेसिक है कि आज रामायण को इस मुकाम पे लाने के लिए और इसे आप सबके सामने प्रस्तुत करने के लिए इन्होंने जो मेरे साथ ताकत के साथ और अपने कन्विक्शन के साथ जो खड़े हैं, एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, एज अ पार्टनर, एज अ फ्रेंड, यश, थैंक यू वेरी मच। Without your belief and conviction, we would not have been able to create what we have. So a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Yash. People are waiting to hear from you, so I'll step behind.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Vanakkam, Swagatam, Namaskar. So, I'm really happy to be part of this wonderful, wonderful project. I think सब हिंदी में बात कर रहे थे, मैं भी कोशिश करूँगा, because इस मुकाम तक आने के लिए all credit should go to Namit Malhotra. उन्होंने मुझे इस पात्र निभाने का जो अवकाश दिया, उसके लिए उसे धन्यवाद कहता हूँ। हिंदी सीखने का भी मौका मिला उसमें। Yeah, so I think this is India's dream. We all have come together. Everybody in this film who has been part of this film is really come with one vision, one conviction to put our story to the global platform. So all of us are here keeping all our interest aside. We have only one interest, to tell Prabhu Sri Ram's story to the global audience, and also to celebrate him in our country. So thank you Namit for having this courage and this conviction. And Nitesh sir, thank you so much for guiding me and understanding me the characters' nuances and helping me do this. So thank you all. And Ranbir, you've been phenomenal, and I think whole of India will understand how you have surrendered to this role and what magic you have created. And Sai, of course, she's a fabulous actress, and to see her perform Sita's role, you have to see that her eyes says it all, and each and every actor, our Surpanakha, the way she has carried that role. I have heard this story. I should remember my grandfather today. I heard this story, but each one of them, Shobana ma'am, I think it's her luck that she agreed to do this role, because she brings in so much grace and value to the role. Of course, our Lakshman Bhai. So he will be a very surprise package in this movie. I think all of us will become his fan. And each and every person, apne Vivek, he and both of us had a great fun. I think you have a lot of surprises in the film. And sir, aapka voice or aapka performance. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Yash. So I think